What is Giglio material in criminal discovery? Have you ever wondered what happens when a witness's credibility is called into question during a trial? Today, we are going to talk about something called Giglio material. This term is important in the world of criminal defense and relates directly to your legal rights and protections. Giglio material refers to specific information that the prosecution is required to share with the defense. This information can be used to challenge the credibility of witnesses who testify for the prosecution. The term comes from a Supreme Court case from 1970 known as Giglio versus United States. This case built upon an earlier ruling called Brady versus Maryland, which requires the prosecution to disclose evidence that could help the defendant. While Brady focuses on evidence that might exonerate a defendant or lessen their sentence, Giglio zeroes in on evidence that can show a witness might not be trustworthy. This could include deals made with witnesses in exchange for their testimony or any past criminal convictions that relate to their honesty. For example, if a witness has a history of lying or has received a benefit for testifying, that information must be disclosed. This obligation applies not just to civilian witnesses, but also to law enforcement officers who may testify for the prosecution. From the perspective of criminal defense, having access to Giglio material is essential. It allows defense attorneys to prepare effective cross-examinations that can reveal biases or motives for witnesses to misrepresent facts. This can significantly impact how a jury views the evidence presented during a trial. The prosecution must provide this information even if the defendant does not specifically ask for it. This requirement is part of ensuring that defendants receive a fair trial, as guaranteed by due process. If the prosecution fails to disclose Giglio material, it can lead to serious consequences. A court may grant a new trial or even dismiss charges if it is determined that the non-disclosure affected the case's outcome. In summary, Giglio material is a vital aspect of discovery in criminal cases. It focuses on the credibility of witnesses, ensuring that the defense has the tools needed to challenge potentially unreliable testimony. Understanding this concept can help you appreciate the protections available to defendants in the legal system.